T series. This is a manual and the specifications. 1000 lumens on high, 30 lumens on low. For 80 hours on the lowest mode, and in the highest mode 1 hour and 45 minutes. 268 meters of beam distance. Waterproof up to IPX8. This is the flashlight itself. It is one of their tactical models. Now IMALENT is a new Chinese company dedicated themselves on making LED flashlights. And in this case, this flashlight has the rotated dimming mode. Also here in the tail cup has the micro USB port for charging, and right next to it, it has a power on and off, which is not very pronounced. It's kind of shallow. Comes with the battery integrated, an IMALENT 18650 2600 milliamp battery. Those are the gold-plated springs. This is the most simple flashlight you can find. I'm not a big fan of magnetic controlled power, but you just turn on the tail, and as you rotate the magnetic control ring, it goes between the highest mode 1000 lumens all the way to the lowest mode of 30 lumens. But like I say, this ring here is quite loose for my personal preference. The reflector is a smooth and deep reflector. Also has a mineral glass lens that allows the maximum transfer of light from the LED to outside, and you can see the lens is being installed a little bit deeper from the frame of the body. This allows to be protected, whenever the flashlight is put upside down. This flashlight comes with a manual, a holster, also includes the micro USB cables for charging, 2 spare O-rings, of course the 18650 battery that goes inside the flashlight, and the flashlight itself. The type of LED is the Cree XPL HI LED, just a show here. Maximum output of 1000 lumens. While we have concerns here a little bit with the waterproof IPX due to this fluffy cover for the micro USB contact to recharge. It really doesn't fit tight to cover the connection. It just kind of sit like that. Okay, here we are with the IMALENT DM21T tactical. And that is the highest mode. It's a quite focused hot spot, but also has a very nice and smooth spill and float to be able to illuminate your surroundings. From here to the corner top of the garage, about 10 yards away. No problems whatsoever for 1000 lumens. It's showing a cool white emitter. I would say cool white tint on the light. We are going to slowly reduce the power all the way down to 30 lumens. Once again, I believe this is way less than 30 lumens. This is more like 10 lumens. According to my prior experience with all the flashlights. We'll ramp it up one more time, 2000 lumens. Lower down to what it says 30. Doesn't even show in the camera. And here the different modes in between. I prefer selected modes, which will give me the specific run times and the different power levels. That's something that doesn't happen when you have a magnetic control ring. Now you press and hold. I'll give you the strobe mode. Press and hold again. It goes back to the same mode you have previously. Here we go, how this functions one more time. This ring is a little bit loose out of factory. I prefer once again to have some type of resistance in it, so it will accidentally be moved, since this is considered a tactical flashlight. Alright, let's take it inside, have final thoughts. Okay, back in our studio. Few observations for this flashlight. Be able to be tactical, rolls away. It has nothing that will hold it in place. Also, something that you notice doesn't have the heat dissipation fins all around it. When I was running on the highest mode on the garage, and you guys saw it was such a short period of time, that flashlight got really warm on this area. It doesn't have any heat dissipation. It would be nice to add some tactical ring and cigar hole accessory at the rear, so you can use it this way and be able to operate the light. Also, I would suggest to have a more pronounced tail switch. In this video, I'm not going to submerge this flashlight. This doesn't ensure me any type of waterproofing, and the instructions and manual doesn't say anything about having the water protection inside the micro USB charger. Other than that, for about $40, you get what you pay for. Thank you for watching.